Welcome to PAYS POS. In this video, we'll show you how to set up an item for EBT payments and process an EBT transaction. Step 1. Set up EBT payment method. First, log into your admin dashboard. Click on the three-line menu in the top left corner. Go to Business Setup. Now, click on Payment Method and select the EBT option. Go back to the main menu. Step 2. Mark an item as EBT. Go to Inventory. Select the item you want to make eligible for EBT. Enable the EBT item option for that product. Click Save. You can repeat the same steps for any other items you want to make eligible for EBT payments. Step 3. Process an EBT transaction. Now, open the PAYS POS app. Select the EBT item along with any other regular items the customer wants to purchase. Click PAYS. Then, click Split by Items. You'll now clearly see the EBT items separated from the other items. Select the EBT items and click Continue. For the EBT payment, select EBT cash and complete the payment. Step 4. Process the remaining items. Now, process the payment for the remaining regular items. Select the appropriate payment type and complete the transaction. And that's it. Thank you for watching.